Choosing a freelance network engineer rather than choosing a network improvement organization often comes up in the spending needs of clients, for those with limited financial plans. Asking to manage organizations can be very scary, as it is well known that the cost of moving organizations forward on the web is much higher. In this case, anyone who needs network architecture and advancement can make it without hurting their wallets. Yet the most important thing that individuals often overlook is that not all freelancers are created equal. Making great agreements to manage network promotion is not the same as making special agreements for single products that can be purchased. When looking for freelancers to tip on the site, clients are often attracted by several extremely cheap contributions. Concern about the nature of the completed tasks mainly depends on the enthusiasm for getting incredible arrangements. This kind of negligence will often frustrate customers. There are several freelancers whose expertise and experience are constantly changing. Choosing the right person requires a keen sense of what to look for and what questions to ask. When looking for freelancers, clients should only consider people who can arrange online job openings. If a freelancer can't point you to a single site to check out their workgroup but instead sends you a few URLs for past projects, it indicates that they may be new to site improvement. Avoid such freelancers. The nature of the online portfolio's work should reflect customer tastes and the examples of courses customers may want to take with their new website. An investment portfolio should also contain a large number of valuable site projects. The amount of venture capital is as the idea of a portfolio classification website should indicate how long freelancers have been in the business and what their level of experience is. If after examining the freelancer's investment portfolio and nature of the work, it appears to match the assumptions, then the next thing to do is ask about their work interactions and evaluations. This is the place to choose specific freelancers. Clients will always try to get a statement from multiple freelancers, trying to get a reasonable statement that their financial plan is feasible. Unfortunately, many clients will choose freelancers because they offer the lowest rates, not because of the nature of their work. It's always a smart idea to get every numerical statement that might be allowed. This will take full account of how much the proposed web work will cost and help customers decide how much to spend on a professionally executed website. Below is a description of some of the various freelancers active in the freelance market. Starting freelancers: planning ability low, speciality low, experience low. Anyone who can use a PC network access and a simple understanding of page creation can choose to offer free website portfolio management services. All you need is to get HTML executive programming in an extremely cost-effective way, and you are ready to solicit clients. Party could come from a high school student who works in his room, a college student, or just someone who chooses to tinker with the website composition while doing day-to-day work that is not important to the online business. Due to their incompetence and limited information about the progress of the internet, your valuable online project eventually becomes a learning experience for these freelancers. The danger of not getting helpful customer help and not completing the website on time is very high. Therefore, the finished project will undoubtedly be passed on to beginners as craftsmanship. These freelancers offer the lowest cost while studying on the job while trying to get soaked in the freelance pool. About art freelancers: planning ability medium, speciality low, experience low to medium. You might get a good, very attractive and nice looking website from this kind of freelancers, mostly partly because they usually have a wealth of imagination. Such gatherings can make attractive websites, but they cannot provide a website that is truly competent. Their creative ability exceeds their professional ability. The end result often results in a website that takes too long to even consider stacking in an internet browser due to the wasteful use of extremely large or different images. These sites also don't do well in web indexing, say Google or Yahoo, because freelancers ignore the basic code of the page and pay most of the cost, if not all, considering the way the page looks. Imaginative freelancers are also stubborn proponents of using Flash to build entire websites. Streak gives initiators the opportunity to do almost everything that has to do with the site smartly. With the right execution, a charming-looking and richly designed website can immediately pile up in an internet browser. Due to a lack of professional skills, overly imaginative freelancers will make the website look different while ignoring the professional part that enhances the quick stacking of the flame website. Technical freelancers: planning ability low, speciality medium high, experience medium. Such gatherings are usually sensible and can provide a completely effective and practically competent site. The place they missed was in the vision office. Clients who want to use the management of these freelancers to create an attractive website are often disillusioned. As we all know, these freelancers are network software engineers and designers, and they also try to plan. This effort often produces a disgusting visual experience for website visitors. While the finished project can be a powerful place to work, the atmosphere of the site can make guests feel like it was created by a novice, fully self-employed, planning ability medium, speciality medium high. Experience medium. In most cases, clients will be satisfied with the jobs that this freelancer creates. Because of their level of participation in this field and their unusual skills, they are as skilled as they are cunning, and their work is usually top-notch. Among the many online freelancers, balanced freelancers are a minority. The costs of this meeting may be higher than those of the tender feet consultant, but the client wants to ensure that the end result is undoubtedly high-quality craftsmanship.